Do you ever feel like you don't understand the sentences or expressions that fluent speakers use, or that you wish you could use the same expressions that fluent speakers use and understand?
Well, today we're going to look at actual common expressions that English speakers use in real conversations by using them in a conversation.
Hello everyone, I'm Dan.
And I'm Jen.
Welcome back to English Perfectus.
Dan and I are going to have a normal, casual conversation that's full of common, everyday expressions and sentences.
And we're going to pause the conversation to explain what these different expressions mean.
Make sure you watch to the very end, as we'll finish with a question from one of you.
Make sure you're subscribed to see our future content on English fluency, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
Let's start the conversation. Hey, Dan.
Hey there, Jen.
Hey and hey there are common casual ways of saying hello. How are things?
How are things is a question people often start conversations with. It means, tell me how you're doing or what's new in your life. Not too bad, thanks. What did you get up to over the weekend?
What did you get up to is another way of asking, what did you do? I had some family from out of town visit, and we checked out this new restaurant downtown.
Checked out means we went to or visited. Nice. Was it any good?
Was it any good is a common sentence asking about someone's opinion of something, not about whether or not something is objectively good or bad. Yeah, delicious. It was a cozy, chic little Italian place with a ton of pasta dishes.
A ton means many or a lot of.
I think it's a family-run place. It was so funny. It was so funny is a common expression people use when they are about to tell a story. My cousin told the staff it was my birthday, so they brought out a little dessert and they sang happy birthday to me.
I thought your birthday was like here means approximately 2 months ago.
Yeah, it is. I could have died. I could have died here means that Jen was embarrassed. I was embarrassed.
You must have been pretty embarrassed. My friends did the same thing to me a while back. A while back is an expression used to reference something that happened in the past. As soon as they came out of the kitchen singing to me, I wanted to bury my head in the sand.
Bury my head in the sand means that someone wants to immediately leave a situation, that they don't want to hear or see anything else in a situation. Yeah, you can say that again.
You can say that again is an expression which means I agree.
We had a great time though. Had a great time is a common phrase meaning they enjoyed themselves. After dinner, we hit the town and partied.
Hit the town means to go out, socialize, and have fun. How long were they around until?
How long were they around means how long did they stay with you? They headed home on Sunday.
To head home means to go home.
It was so nice to catch up with them. To catch up means to spend time with someone and hear about their lives since you saw them last. I don't get to see them all that much. Did you do anything special?
No, not really. I got caught up on some housework and went to see a movie on Saturday with a friend. Did you know they're doing construction on the highway? It was down to one lane and took us forever to get there. Took us forever means it took us a very long time.
No way, that's too bad. They've been doing construction all over the place. All over the place means that something is very frequent or happens in a large number of places. You just have to sit there and wait it out.
Wait it out is an expression that means to wait and be patient for something to end. Anyway, my friend and I are thinking of heading over to the Waterfront Music Festival in a few weeks. You should join us.
Nah, I don't think so. I feel like a third wheel. A third wheel means to be an extra person, someone who feels left out or who feels unwanted and out of place.
No, not at all. You should come. The more the merrier. The more the merrier means that more people would add to the enjoyment of a group experience. If I'm not mistaken, a few other people from work are going to tag along.
Tag along means to join or take part. Maybe I went last year and I had a blast.
Had a blast is a common expression meaning to have fun or to enjoy yourself.
I'll sleep on it and get back to you. I'll sleep on it means that someone is going to spend time thinking about something to reach a decision.
Sounds good. I heard there's going to be a special guest playing. Not too sure, but I have my fingers crossed that it's to have your fingers crossed means to wish or to hope for something. Oh, what's his name?
What's his name is an expression people use when they cannot remember someone's name.
Jimmy Santino. Rumor has it that he's in town the same weekend. Rumor has it is an expression meaning that people are saying or talking about an event or a person.
I wouldn't be surprised. He's from around here. That'd be out of this world. Out of this world is a phrase meaning that something would be very good or desirable.
By the way is an expression people add to the beginning of something they want to add, referencing something else that has been said. You might want to check your car. I think your headlights are on.
Really? You sure about that?
Yeah, at least I think it was your car. I saw it this morning. You drive that little blue car?
Yeah, that's me. Shoot. I better go take care of that. Take care of that means to go and do something or complete a task. It was nice catching up. See you later.
Same here. See ya. If you found this helpful, please remember to give this lesson a like and subscribe to see our next English fluency video.
On to a question we received from Roberto. Roberto asked, can you talk about the difference between other and another?
That's a great question. The word another always refers to a singular thing, like a cup of coffee or a day, apart from the first. It often means one more or an additional.
A few example sentences are, we wanted another drink, so we stayed longer.
I'd like to stay another day.
I'd like to try another dessert.
Other is used for plural or non-count nouns. It can also be used to mean not included, different, distinct, or remaining.
The word other is often used as an adjective, meaning it describes a noun. It's often used to talk about general things.
A few example sentences are, there are other things we must consider.
The other options are better.
There is other food available.
We're looking forward to the next one.
Until next time, keep learning.
And we'll talk soon.